to cheer on right now.
But I didn't want to give you
You got United kids from our
a lot of guys give you the phone like that.